the transactions voucher posting. Let us see how the amount will be collected under the head of account, the retail post service. Friends, the retail post service, is it receivable? Yes, you are right. It is receivable, and after the voucher posting, the transaction should be posted to the receipt side of daily transaction report. For retail post service, the general ledger code is 18000101100. It can be searched by doing the voucher posting in the SAP application. The transaction type is receipt. Hence, it should be posted to the profit center of the facility. Now, let us see the operational procedure in detail. The user will log into the SAP application by using the user ID and password of a treasurer. Use the transaction code F-02 for voucher posting. Select the document date and posting date from the calendar. Select the document type SK because it is a cash document. Select the company code DOPI, that is Department of Posts, India. Select the currency rate INR, that is Indian rupee, and enter the document header text. It is optional. Select the first line posting key 40 for debit, and the general ledger code is 4867100010, that is DOP cash from the drop down searcher, or it can be also entered manually, and press enter button for moving on to the next window. Enter the amount of retail post in rupees in the amount column. Select the profit center column and enter the profit center ID of the post office and press enter button to continue. In the next line item, the following details are to be entered. Select posting key 50 for credit and enter the general ledger code 18000101100, that is the amount collected under the retail post service. Press enter to proceed to the next screen. Enter the amount of conveyance in the amount field or enter star and press enter button to get amount automatically, which is entered under the first line item. Click on the option more to enter the post office ID under the profit center and press enter button to continue. Move the cursor onto the top of the screen and under the option documents, select simulate to check the correctness of entries done under both the line items. The system will display both entries with both debit and credit entries are equal. Cross check once again for correctness. Click on post to post the transaction. Note down the system generated document number on the voucher. For non-migrated postal banking transactions and MegaWish transactions, we have to follow the above procedure. But we have to select the correct document type, that is PB for postal banking and PL for insurance transactions. Friends, hope you have understood the procedure of voucher posting for account receivable through the transaction code F-02. The number of vouchers are more, then we have to use the transaction code FB50 or ZBF07, that is for bulk voucher posting. The bulk voucher posting will be discussed in the next session. Till then, thank you very much for watching the video.